Good day, sir. I'm Edwin B. Ligan Jr. from B. Ismarai 3 Bravo. So, in this video, I will discuss the advantages and disadvantages of a diesel engine and gasoline engine. So, first is the diesel engine. So, we all know that diesel engine is used to provide power in a variety of application in many industries. So, especially sa ship. So diesel engine um, uh, is the engine that is used nowadays on a ship. So the diesel engine has a lot of advantages and disadvantages. So first is the advantages of diesel engine. So more efficient and economical to use. So that advantages is economical and efficient because of the power output of the diesel engine is large, in which um, more completion process or more combustion occur inside the cylinder head, the large amount of power release. So, and it is economical to use because the fuel use on a diesel engine is more cheaper than the gasoline engine. So that's the one advantages of a diesel engine. So next is fuel vapor is not explosive. So um, fuel vapor is not explosive because of the space provided or the combustion, in which there is no vapor left during the combustion process inside the cylinder head. So next is exhaust and less poisonous. So exhaust is less poisonous because the um the gas used in the in the or the fuel used in the diesel engine is no not harm there is no harmful chemical substance rather than the gasoline, because the diesel is this is low quality, in which if there is a low quality, there is no walang marami siyang mga toxicated or mga toxic chemicals na content. So next is greater lodging power and torque. So because of that greater lodging power and torque, that advantages is the one which bring a large output or efficient output. So that's the advantages. So next is engines are divisible and properly cared for will maintain their economy. So why is that it's maintained properly? Because engine is easy to maintain, and it's needed to be maintained because of the fuel use, because the diesel engine use low quality uh, fuel, in which low quality it means more maintenance. So we can the maintenance occur um, mas napapadalas kasi mas malilinisan siya. So in which is good para yung materials is magtagal. So next is fuel is volatile. No vapor lack of problems. So because of the fuel volatile, the fuel inside the cylinder head or in the process is totally born. There is no more moisture or vapor left during the combustion process. So can use a variety of fuel and mixtures. So yung diesel engine is there, any quality of fuel can be used, except because of the combustion is or the process occur in the combustion or in the compression or the entire or the working principle of the diesel engine is enough to burn any kind of fuel. So another advantages of a diesel engine is that um, um, this engine is not um, need higher quality of fuel, because like the gas like in the not like in the gasoline engine. So diesel engine more power, or it creates more power than gasoline engine. So that's the advantages. So next is the disadvantages. So engines must be stronger and heavier because of the high compression rates. So because the diesel engine is too big, so it's need more or more force to do that process. If we because of that large force, we need a strong material. So the materials of the diesel engine is expensive. So that's a disadvantage. Next is I initially more expensive. So like what I said, it is expensive. So fuel could get into cold climates. So because we use fuel, low quality of fuel, especially in the diesel engine, because of that that low quality fuel, um, there will be a tendency that the viscosity of the fuel will change because of the cold climate, because of that low quality. So next is generally noisier operation, very present exhaust odor. So diesel engine create more noise and more vibration because of the process, because of that force inside or occur during the operation of the diesel engine, in which noises and vibration is one of the common hazard occur in the main engine. So that's the disadvantage. Then the odor, the the pungent odor, or the odor of the diesel engine or in the exhaust is very bad because of that quality of fuel. So that's all for the diesel engine. So next is the gasoline engine. So gasoline engine, the advantages of gasoline engines is that high engine speeds at about 300 rpm, or rotation per minute. So because of that, because of the ano ba to yung compression kasi, or yung process niya, yung pag-akyat baba ng piston is konting oras lang yung kakainin, kaya mas marami siyang nagawang RPM because of that small component, or hindi siya maano kalaki. So that's why it produce more RPM rather the diesel engine, because the diesel engine is that the RPM is kunti lang. Because of that, makikita naman natin yung pag-move ng piston up and down niya is sobrang tagal talaga. Hindi gaano katagal, pero it takes time. So yun yung disadvantage, which is advantage naman sa petrol engine or gasoline engine. So next is lighter weight because of minimum pressure and temperature is less. So kasi ganun, yung gasoline engine or the gasoline engine is smaller than diesel engine, in which it is easy to carry or easy to transport, and during the operation there the pressure and temperature is not too high, in which enough in order to protect the materials from damage. So or bali hindi siya nakakause ng damage na masyado sa materials sa loob ng gasoline engine. So next is less initial cost. So what I said before, yung diesel engine is masyadong mahal siya dahil malaki yung mga materials, tapos mga mamahalin yung mga ginagamit na material. So in gasoline engine, kabaliktaran naman, which is yun yung advantage niya. Pag may nasirang isang part, is madali lang siyang palitan because of the lower price. Next is less maintenance cost. So why it is less maintenance cost? So the gasoline engine required less maintenance because of the fuel use. Aside lang pag yung gasolina or yung gasoline is may water. Kasi yung water is isa sa nakakasira ng main engine, in which is not good for the components or parts of the gasoline engine. So pag gumamit ka ng mga mamahalin na fuel, ibig sabihin is malinis yung yung chemical content niya is not hindi siya nakakause ng marumi sa engine. So that's the disadvantages. So aside sa mga advantages is that yung advantage niya is pag you can change the damaged part anytime and anywhere, because of that the parts of the gasoline engine is easy to buy, or parang available siya sa maraming market or store. So yun yung naka-advantage sa gasoline engine. So pag-uusapan naman natin yung disadvantages. So the disadvantage of gasoline engine, first is low compression rate rating from, or mababa yung compression rate niya. So di ba sabi ko kanina, dahil yung gasoline engine is maliit lang, so yung oras na kinakain niya sa pag-compression, pag yung compression is mababa lang, ibig sabihin nun the power produced is low, or is not too strong. So ibig sabihin nun kunti lang yung force or power na nare-release, kaya enough lang sa mga ginagamitan. So like sa diesel engine, kasi yung diesel engine is that yung compression time niya during the up and down, or when the piston up to the cylinder head, so during the combustion there is more power release because of that process. So that is not that certain situations or process is that is the disadvantages of gasoline engine. So next is the thermal efficiency is lower due to the compression rate. So and overall lang talaga, yung disadvantage niya is that more talaga dito is yung compression rate talaga yung pinagbabasehan, kasi the gasoline engine is smaller than diesel engine. So low thermal efficiency because of that, the compression, because there is not paano ba to, kasi yung during the compression na hindi siya mainit, kasi yung kinocompress, yung pressure is that hindi siya gaano kalaki, in which hindi masyadong mainit, or yung thermal efficiency is not enough for instances. So another disadvantage is that the fuel is too much expensive. Not too much, it's affordable, but it's expensive rather than the diesel engine. So in overall, diesel engine is more efficient than gasoline engine and more reliable than gasoline engine. So that's the advantages and disadvantages of diesel engine and gasoline engine. So that's all, sir. Thank you.